All right, guys, what you think? So I picked up this impact protector for me to ride in. I can wear a hoodie in it. I can wear the other jacket. I can put the jacket on as well. I'm not gonna do that. What y'all think? Comment down below. What is up, the Double R gang? Hey, it's your boy D, we back. Not Fast Lane D, but D with Rams and Roses, and we back. So, today is gonna start off the bike build series. Yes, so like this is gonna be a project bike. Like I'm about to have so much fun doing this. It's gonna come out amazing. I got some stuff in store for you guys. Already bought it, already tried some stuff out. Like it's about to be lit. First two things I've already changed on the bike. You know, they're minor, but come take a look at this over here. Some people gonna be like, really, bro, you did it again? Yes, I definitely did it again. So, had to get that biker key tag. Had to do it. Y'all know what that say. Y'all can see that. And then, go ahead, babe, get him a close look on that. Ooh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, I already got like bar ends. So, I'm actually about to take one of these bar ends off. So I'm getting my fucking Allen wrench, whichever one fits the correct one. That's too small, so I gotta go up. It's this one. Taking this bar end off and then taking it to the shop so they could tell me, come on. Come on now. You're gonna have to pop. There we go. Taking it off so they can tell me if I have the right aftermarket bar end or if it'll fit or what I'll have to do. Cause like I got a lot of stuff in store. I already got handlebars. So Handlebar Grips, I already got an aftermarket set that I'm about to put on. Those are easy to install, not gonna take any time. With this, it's not really gonna be a how-to video, just watch with me as this bike transforms. So yeah, once I get this off, I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. All right guys, so this is what I mean. So I got two different handlebar ends. I got this one that came with the bike, and I have these that I wanna put on the bike. I just have to figure out how the fuck they go on the bike and if it'll fit. That's the real issue. How they go and if it will fit. Now I can tell you I can screw them in, but I'll have a little bit of space left. So we're gonna go with that. Matter of fact, I'm not gonna tell you the colors we're gonna go with, but stand by. Stand by. Anyway, so that's what we're doing right now. I'm just gonna put this back on. I'm gonna cover the bike back up, then we're gonna head over to the shop. And then from there, we'll make it do what it do, and then we'll get back to you. All right, guys, I told you. So we're back. We back in here. Dang, she's just walking away and I'm trying to talk. No. Anyway, so just looking around, looking at handlebars, the grip. So I'm going with red. I've like 100% decided. I didn't choose these. I chose.
Just like the wait and see. Telling them too much.
Telling them too much. All right, she said I'm telling y'all too much. So I ain't gonna say too much. Let's check these bar ends out because you guys already saw about that. So we're gonna check these bar ends out. See if I want to switch a rule.
The only thing about
now, I wonder should I get a screw kit? You know, should I change these out for like the other screws? No. That's windscreen. I'm staying with that. So let's see. What is this? Mirror block off plates. This fits an R6. Does it? What is it? Oh, I know what that is. Nah, I'm not doing that. Oh snap! They got the. I was looking at these, but are these the short ones? These are the. Which one is it? Is this the clutch or is it the brake? But yeah, guys, I'm looking for these because I'm gonna switch the clutch and brake levers out. I want something shorter because like it comes all the way out here. I want something where I can just grab it and that be it. So I might end up coming back and getting these and switching them out on my bike. But we'll see. We'll see. Also trying to figure out what tank pad to get, but I'll figure that out once I get the entire bike set up, wrapped and everything like that. So y'all still stand in line. Oh snap, this one comes with two.
Since you don't like the gloves you have, yeah. You want to buy new gloves.
I didn't say I don't like the gloves I have. I said I want a second pair of gloves. What do you think about this?
No, I don't
Going
like
full
those.
race? Let's try it out. Hey guys, what y'all think? Y'all think I should go full race? Full race on these ones? That's how it would look.
I like the shorter ones.
I like it. I like the look.
Then get what you like. Yeah.
But I'm still. Ooh. I don't know.
Technical difficulties.
Having technical difficulties. Let's. Ooh, boy, this is tight.
So you need a medium.
No, they're supposed to be tight. Guys, what y'all think?
Yep.
I'm about to go take a look in the mirror. Yeah, let's take a look in the mirror. So, looking at a second pair of gloves. Just to see which ones I like most. Trying to get these on. And they're very tight. These are too big. I have a whole lot of space right here.
Put your hand down. Flip.
Alright guys, what you think? So I picked up this impact protector for me to ride in. I can wear a hoodie in it. I can wear the other jacket. I can put the jacket on as well. I'm not going to do that. What y'all think? Comment down below. Let's see. But yeah, so these are the gloves I'm going to go with. I like these a whole lot. I like the white, but I don't know. The ones with the white on it had a little too much white for me, but I think I'm going to go with this. Let's do it. What's going on, guys? Now I'm back. Let's get to it. So I'm starting the bike build series. I don't know if that mentioned oh my god, I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, but so we're gonna do a bike build series, and I got like a lot of stuff that I'm gonna essentially use, and I'm gonna start showing you. But I want to open this stuff up with you so you can see some of this stuff. You'll be able to see it easily, but you know. So let's get to it. We're gonna go over the big stuff first. So let's see what this is. Let's see what this is. I need something to cut. Whew. I mean, I know what it is, but I want to open it with you guys. Woo. What is this? I don't know. What's this right here? What's that? Man, let me tell you. I don't know, man. Where y'all think this going? That's a little science. So I got red chrome. I'm not gonna tell you how I'm gonna use it. Well, we got red chrome right there. After red chrome, I got a couple other things. It's coming together, or it's gonna be coming together. I'm not gonna tell you where it's going until it all gets worked out, but you'll see. And then I got what? I got a Nardo gray. I bet people are like, what? Why is he pulling all this stuff out? Just stand by. Just stand by. Oh, carbon fiber. Got that carbon fiber. Like this is about to come together. Gloss black. Got that gloss black.
Where you pull your pants up?
You know I'm skinny. I'm not sagging. Also, knifeless tape. Y'all know what that's for. If you know, you know. If not, you'll figure it out. Different handlebar grips. Matter of fact, I'm gonna open it up and show you real quick. This is the right. Actually, this is the left. And then I got the right. Like, yeah, I'm excited. I'm real excited. Oof. Got the spike collar. License plate tag. It's going up. It's going up. Bar ends. Aftermarket bar ends that's going on the bike. I'm telling you, this is coming together. It's coming all the way together. All right, let's see what's in here. Hey, let's see what's up in here. Let's see what's up in here. What is this? What is this? I think this is gonna be one of those things. If you know, you know. I mean, I know. Oh. Like I said, if you know, you know. Oh my goodness, get it now. Oh my god, oh my god. Whatever. Oh. If you know, you know. What is it for? Anyway, I'll tell you. This is it's gonna go in here. So this is gonna be my frame sliders. My frame slider is gonna go in there and then it stick out a little bit. So in the event that something happens, if I drop the bike or if I might slide, then it'll be saved. Unfortunately, I don't think it came with the puck, so I might have to order the puck. If so, it's whatever. That's easy to do, but we're gonna make it happen. And I'm pretty sure this is just the other one. Yep, this is just the other one. Yep. So it goes in there. And then the puck goes out here. So the puck might sit up to there, but we'll see. Yep, that is. I got woodcraft frame sliders. They finally came in. I got some more stuff coming. I got a aftermarket tail light. I'm not gonna tell you which one it is. You'll just see when you see. I have flush mounted side turn signals. Gotta install those. We're gonna do something with this. You're gonna see I also got spikes. Spikes to replace these OEM screws for the windscreen. You're gonna see it like it's coming together. Then on top of the spikes, I got mirror block off plates. So I'm gonna take these mirrors off and then I'm gonna put mirrors right here. They're gonna go right on the side. So that's what we're doing. So pretty much that's where we at. Oh. And last but 100% not least, you all might have seen it earlier, but you know, depending on how I'm feeling, if I'm feeling in the spirit, whoop, yeah. Then I got me some serious gloves. Like I call these the go fast gloves. Chilling gloves, go fast gloves. Let me give you a look at how they look while I'm on the bike. Yeah. What y'all think? So yeah, that's what I got for this video. I'm really excited. Like I keep saying, like this thing is gonna come together. I got more stuff that I'm ordering that I'm gonna get to change some of the OEM stuff. I'm not gonna tell you yet until I get it. I'll show you at that point. But like, it's lit. Like we getting in there. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. Come here, babe. Come on, bring it closer. Thank you guys for tuning in. It's your boy D with Rams and Roses. If you like this video, hit the like button, smash that subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. And I'm out.